The automatic emergency braking (AEB) system can assist the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision with the vehicle ahead in the traveling lane. If a risk of a forward collision is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a flashing distance indicator light, along with an audible alert. The AEB system uses a radar sensor located on the front of the vehicle to measure the distance to the vehicle ahead in the same lane, and operates at speeds above approximately 5 km per hour. If the driver applies the brakes quickly after the warning, and the system detects that there is still the possibility of a forward collision, the system will automatically increase the braking force. If the driver does not take action, the automatic emergency braking system issues the second visual and audible warnings and also applies partial braking. If the risk of a collision with the vehicle ahead becomes imminent, the system applies harder braking automatically. Depending upon the circumstances of the situation, the system may not eliminate the possibility of a collision, but may reduce the severity of a collision. To enable or disable the system, press this button until Settings is displayed on the vehicle information display. Use the up and down arrow button to select driver assistance on the menu bar. Press the Enter button. Select Emergency Braking, and now press the Enter button and the current selection displays. Press the Enter button again to toggle the AEB system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.